Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth not pairing in Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. If you are using Galaxy S21 FE and you're facing the issue that your Bluetooth is not pairing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and click on restart to have a restart with your phone. A normal restart can easily fix your issues like software glitches or technical errors. Once I've run, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just scroll on the control center, keep the long press on your Bluetooth, go to details there. If you're already paired with that device and having issue with connected, so you can try to unpair and then retry to repair and reconnect. So it might help you to fix that issue. If it's still not working for you, go to settings, go to software update, make sure that your software is up to date, go back, go to general management, go to reset, click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, click on reset settings. It should reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings to default. So once you have done this, your issue will be fixed and this time you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.